Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Okay, y'all, we still on this Thanksgiving, trying to give y'all some Thanksgiving ideas and stuff. I'm about to the close of this because it's almost Thanksgiving. So I got one more item. I'm getting a lot of special requests for this item. I don't make it that often. I'll tell you why later on in the video. But let's get started with this video. Let me get the eggs going. I'm gonna do about 6 eggs. That'll give me like 12 devil eggs. So I'm doing old school devil eggs. I didn't tell y'all what I was doing. Old school devil eggs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the let me do this here where y'all can see. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, I got my eggs right here. I'm gonna carefully put them in this. And I try to look at the eggs, make sure there's no crack in them. Sometimes got a little crack like this one. So you want to make sure none of your eggs have a crack in them, because if they do, they're not going to be a good egg. I got a bunch of eggs with cracks in it here. I can find another one here. Okay, we got 6 right here. We're going to use those 6. I'm just going to show y'all a few of them how I make mine. Okay. Now what I want to do, I'm going to add cold water to this. Some people say put the eggs in hot water and then start boiling. The reason you start with cold water, so the egg will cook evenly. That's very important, that you start eggs in the cold water. And I like using a colander because it's easier when I take them out to cool them off, as you'll see in another process. My fire on here. And you just put just enough water to cover the eggs. Put that on there. Now I'm going to add a little salt to mine. Just a little. And I'm going to add a cap full of white vinegar. This is going to help for the eggs to peel and not the shell not to break. That's another secret there. So I'm giving y'all all my secrets. Put a little vinegar in the water when you're boiling eggs and a little salt. It'll help you peel the eggs and make the whole peeling come off and not crack. So anyway, we're going to let this boil exactly 7 minutes. When it starts boiling, you count 7 minutes after it comes to a roaring boil. Count 7 minutes. We're going to take it out and put it in an ice bath and cool them down. And we're going to knock these devil eggs out. Very simple, very easy. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. It's been 7 minutes. Okay, we're going to turn our eggs off. Lift it up out of here. And I got a water bath over here. All it is ice and water. I'm gonna put these in ice and water to cool them off. Definitely want to cool them right off there. Let them cool that for a little bit, and then we're gonna peel them. We're gonna peel them here. Let me get this off here. And I told y'all I was going to tell y'all why I don't do devil eggs that much. Because I think it's a lot, not a lot of work, but for what you're doing, it doesn't go long. These eggs here, I'll get 12 out of here. 12 halves, you know, 6 whole, and there'll be 12 devil eggs. I can eat 7 or 8 of these by myself. So if you got a party at your house and people love devil eggs, that means you're going to have to do maybe 3 or 4 dozen of these things to satisfy all your guests. So that's why I say I don't make this that much, because it just ain't worth the time and effort. If I was to do 3 dozen of these things, it's just a lot of work for the reward. But a lot of people love them. I love them. I just don't make them as much as I could. So anyway, we're gonna get started on this. We got the eggs cooling in the ice bath. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to peel them. Now let's hope this skin come off like it's supposed to. Let's see here. It should just peel right off, y'all. The egg should just come right out of there. See that? Hit it another little bit. When I'm on TV, it don't work. Any other time, And I like to do it under running water. It helps a lot too. I do it on the sink as the water is running, and that helps the peeling process. All right, there we go. We got one here, and I'm gonna step off. Just wanted to show y'all a couple, and I'm gonna step off. Like I say, I like to do it right under running water. That way, the little shells and all that be totally clean off the egg. You know how you got the little shells? You definitely don't want to eat them. Definitely don't want to eat those. I'll show you here how smooth them is. See how pretty that is? I'll do one more and then I'll step off here and finish them up, and we'll come back and show you how to put this thing together. We'll do one more here. One more. There we go. See that? Nice clean peel egg. That's what the vinegar does to it, and the salt. It makes them easier to peel and not break off. So anyway, we'll be right back. I'm gonna peel all these. I'm gonna get them cut in half, have them scoop the yolks out, and I'll show you the mixer. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, I got the yolks out of the eggs. Put the egg whites to the side. And what I want to do, all I want to do, y'all, I want to mash this up really, really good. Y'all know the process. Y'all made deviled eggs. You know the process. Just mash all this egg yolks up. This is the star of the show right here, y'all. Star of the show. We'll get these as smooth as possible. Smooth as possible. And I use a fork. And use a spoon. Very simple recipe, y'all. All it is, 3 items. Mayonnaise, mustard, relish. Some people put onions in theirs. I don't do that. Choose not to. I'm making a mess here. I don't like doing. Okay, now, what I'm going to do, I got it all broke up. I'm going to put a little mayonnaise in here to make it, help me make it smoother. A little mayonnaise in here. More mayonnaise. Put it up there. I like to mash it up against the bowl. I say this is not no little. See how it's getting smooth there? You can use a spoon too. Put a little bit more mayonnaise. Mayonnaise helped me get it smooth. Then I add my mustard and my relish. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing here. Yeah, I guess you can. See how smooth it's getting? And you can use a mixer too, I guess, but now, I'm going to put a little mustard in mine. You don't have to put mustard. I like that little twang it gives it. I love that little twang it gives it, matter of fact. Okay. Once you got it smooth with the mustard, now I'm going to put a little relish. A little relish, pickle relish in here. Not pickle relish, but sweet relish in here. You don't have to put this, but this is what I just absolutely make the, to me, this makes the, I can get rid of this part, and I can actually use a spoon now and mix it up good. And I'm going to put a little salt and pepper, in here. Not much, it ain't going to take much. That's it. Now I'm gonna taste it, make sure it's got good seasoning. You know what? I don't need no more relish. I'll put a little pinch of sugar in here to balance off that mustard, the sourness of the mustard. Just a tad, not much. Like a half a teaspoon. Y'all know I love the balanced flavors, y'all. You know I love about balancing flavors. Okay, now we're gonna put them in the. Now to put this back in here, what I do, I like to use a pastry bag. Get you a pastry bag. Put it in here. Here. You get it all out the bowl. It's got to go all back in the egg there. Get rid of this. Take this down. And all I do is down. So make sure I get it all in there. I just put it in the egg just like that. Very simple, y'all. Very simple and easy. Of course, you know you should be able to fill every one of them up because to come out of there, you got to go back in there, huh? That's it. Very easy. Now, make it pretty. Hold on. So y'all can see. Make it pretty. I put a little paprika on there. Paprika on there. There we go. And I don't usually have one of them little fancy egg thingies. So I just, when I have a porter, I just put it on the nice bed of lettuce there. A nice bed of lettuce, just like this. Just like this. Like I say, people eat with their eyes, y'all. Y'all know that already. All about presentation, y'all. Okay. That one over there, that one there. Okay. There we go. Now, I'm going to step off here. I'm going to clean up. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to taste these things. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. We are back. Okay, we're going to taste one of these things. I'll use the one that got the best, biggest filling in it. I'm telling y'all, I can eat this whole thing. That's why I don't make double egg. And I literally can sit there and eat all 12 of these. I'm pretty much close to it. And like I say, you got the creaminess of the mayonnaise. The egg is creamy, of course. You got the tanginess of the mustard. And that crunch of that sweet relish. You can put pickles in there. You can omit the relish if you don't like it. But I just like how the flavors just balance out. It's a nice, like I say, it's a nice dish for Thanksgiving. Put on your appetizer table next to your potato salad. But this is like a potato salad without the potato. That's exactly what it tastes like. A potato salad with no potato. But anyway, I want y'all to follow my other social media accounts. We one big old school soul food family. Follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. And please comment on this video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. A lot of people watch the video, they don't subscribe. And please hit that notification bell. I don't say that enough. So you'll be notified for my upcoming videos. So anyway, until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.